Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video I will show you the most beautiful room decoration. If you like this video, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families and all. I hope you all are doing good. So let's start the video. You can see this picture, the house from outside looking beautiful. And you can see this one also, the bedroom, the lighting, you can see beautiful lighting and beautiful purple color looking beautiful. The design, beautiful design looking. And you can see this one also, the curtain, you can see pink color, and you can see the down floor white color, pink color, both mixed, looking beautiful together. And you can see this one also, for the place for baby. Baby can baby's dress and books looking beautiful. And you can see this one also, the place for baby where baby can sleep. And you can see the lamp, looking beautiful lamp. It is looking beautiful lamp. And you can see the mirror also in this one, you can see the mirror looking beautiful. The cupboard also, and you can see the most beautiful picture I like ever. You can see this one, it is the picture. And this is in the BMW car, beautiful. And you can see this one also, the engine looking beautiful engine. And you can see the looking very beautiful inside, the lights and all looking very beautiful and great. And you can see this one also, the up, you can see the big house. It is, I don't know how they made it, looking very beautiful, amazing, looking very beautiful and amazing. If you like guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families and all. Okay guys, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe. So you can see the next picture, you can see this one, the kitchen door, you can see the kitchen door, you can see looking very beautiful. And inside also very beautiful decoration they did for this one, looking very beautiful also. And you can see this one, the wall decoration, you can see the mirror and the table, you can see small toys maybe for babies, looking very beautiful. And down floor you can see, and the cupboards are there. And you can see this one also, the E-shape, and the photos are there, looking beautiful photos. And you can see this one also, the parachute you can see. And the baby dress, you can see it is also looking very beautiful. And you can see this one also, the baby dress and the things also looking very great and beautiful thing. This one also, the sleeping place. And you can see this one also, the very beautiful view from outside. And you can see this one, the cute baby is standing. And you can see this one also, it's also for baby sleeping place. It's also the bed, looking very beautiful. Thank you guys. If you like, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Love you all.